Well, today is exciting news. I just got word that my package got delivered. Been waiting on this, cause like I told y'all, we about to shoot some movies this year, baby. Whew. Not let my cat fly off for these motherfuckers see my head. Be hating. What's up, y'all? It's your boy OG. Live Studios, man. Look, I did something real crazy. I made up my mind last year, 2023, towards the end of December. I've been shooting for a long time, shooting music videos, little small commercials and stuff like that. And I'm like, I'm tired of that shit. I want to shoot a movie. So I told myself this year of 2024, I would shoot my first short film movie or maybe a regular size long movie, I don't know. But I either want Tubi, Amazon, Netflix, whatever, I don't care. I'm trying to build a team right now and I'm trying to do it big, man. So I made a crazy ass purchase. Spent a lot of bread, my own money. Nobody helped me with this. Solo dolo. I went ahead and got it, y'all. I went ahead and got the Ronin 4D. Got the lens, kits, everything I need. So that's gonna match well with my other Sony camera and my Reds. So I'm trying to do it big. Got my boy R&R Films, my boy Spike Designer, my boy Q, and a couple other people who may help me shoot this movie. We're gonna see how shit goes. I know how people's schedules be. I'm so excited. So let me show y'all what I got in the package. Oh man, I'm so excited, bro. I better shoot some movies. If I waste my money on this shit, then just believe if I don't shoot with it, y'all can rent this for $150 a day. I got y'all. $150 a day. Ooh, it is. Voila. Hey, boy. It's my second cinema camera, but this one gonna be easier to shoot with than that Red. I used to hate the fucking Red. Love the picture quality, but setting it up and rigging it up, oh my god, bro. That shit was worse. I ain't had no team. Let me get this out of here. Ooh, look at the casing on this. It's so pretty. I took the paperwork. If I ain't gonna read this, I'm gonna just try to. Oh my god. It's a beautiful travel case. I thought it was big and it looked big online when people were showing their stuff, but it's nice though. Decent. Let's open it up. I don't know what side is which. Oh my god, it's so beautiful! Look at it! Yes, bitch. Yes. I don't know what the f it is. I got the main thing. I'm waiting on one more package. I got one more package coming in, waiting on that. But this the main deal. I can go ahead and start shooting, doing something with this. It's beautiful. I'm scared to take it out. I don't want to mess nothing up. Oh god, I got a package for me. Oh yeah. Big old handles. See that? Yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful piece of machinery, man. I can't wait to start shooting on it. Let me see how you take this out without f***ing up. Shit, unplug that shit. Okay. I'm scared to take this out. Where the handle at? Oh, and they said this is heavy. It's not that heavy. Man, I guess it's, to me, I don't know, it's just as heavy as my Red rigged up. Oh, man. Definitely gonna get a shoulder workout. I wanna work out with this. Oh my god, look, I can do this all day. You talking about this heavy? It's heavy, but I can. Shit, I need to get back in the gym anyway. So as y'all can see, I'm super duper excited. You know what I'm saying? I love trying to be creative. You know, military take up a lot of my time for me being creative because I gotta work, obviously, and I work down there every day, 12-hour shifts. But I love to create though. I love to be, I don't know, I just love to shoot, man. I love been doing this since I was a kid. I always had a camera in my hand. And now I got one of the best cameras that you can get right now. I had no excuses not to go shoot and create something. Whether I do it by myself, a solo short film, or I find some friends and family to help me shoot. We about to get it done. It's a beautiful piece of machinery though. DJI, tip my hat to y'all. Y'all about to make me some money. Just like I made y'all. I wouldn't imagine how much this damn camera costs. It's ridiculous. And it's my second time spending this much on camera. But we're gonna make it happen this year. 2024, this is our year for real, for real. I know we've been saying that every other year. 2023, 22, 2020, 2019, but 2024, I'm making change. Cause I ain't getting no younger, getting up older, 35 years old, kid almost grown. So I'm about to have a lot more time to myself. And it's going down. Go Live Studios, aka better known as Go Live Productions. And we about to be the next Black Hollywood, next Atlanta, the next Tyler Perry, the next everything, but we're gonna try to do it better. And we're gonna do it in the community and do it good. We're gonna be good, bro. Everybody gonna eat 2024. You feel me? You dig? It's going down. Let's go. OG Burner, aka O'Dead, aka Go Live Studios. We in this thing. Yeah.